Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a custom audience in Facebook ads so you can target the right people and improve your results instantly. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Go to Audiences. First, log into your Facebook Ads Manager. On the left side menu, scroll down and click on Audiences. This is where all your saved, lookalike, and custom audiences will appear. Step 2. Create Audience. Now click the blue Create Audience button. From the dropdown, choose Custom Audience. This will allow you to target people who already interacted with your business. Step 3. Choose your data source. Facebook will now show you different sources. You can create audiences from website visitors, customer lists, app activity, Facebook or Instagram engagement, video viewers, page followers, lead forms, and more. Choose the one that fits your goal. For example, let's say you want to retarget people who visited your website. Select Website. Step 4. Set your conditions. Once you pick your source, you need to set the conditions. For a website audience, you can choose all website visitors, people who visited specific pages, visitors in the last 30, 60, or 180 days. Set your preferred timeframe and audience rules. Step 5. Name and create. Give your audience a clear name, like Website Visitors 30 Days. Then click Create Audience. Facebook will start populating it. The more traffic you have, the faster it grows. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom audience for your Facebook ads. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below if you want a tutorial on lookalike audiences next. See you in the next video.